Hello everyone, today we are diving into the fascinating world of mass productions. We have gained exclusive access to a state of the art factory to showcase the incredible process behind bringing products to our shelves. Once the materials pass inspections, our journey moves to designing and prototyping department. Engineers and designers work together utilizing the latest software and technology to bring concepts to life. Before the magic happens, raw materials arrive at the factory. Every element undergoes rigorous inspection to ensure quality. Now let's witness the heart of the factory, the manufacturing process. This highly synchronized assembly line showcases precision and speed as components come together to create the final product. Our journey begins with an inside look at the heart of operations. This sprawling facility is equipped with cutting edge technology, skilled workers, and a meticulous layout designed for efficiency. No products leave this factory without undergoing strict quality control checks. Our dedicated team ensures that each item meets the highest standard before it reaches your hands. No products leave this factory without undergoing strict quality control checks. Our dedicated team ensures that each item meets the highest standard before it reaches your hands. And other you have it the fantastic mass productions factory process, a symphony of technology, precision and dedications that brings the products we love to our doorsteps. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notifications.